Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I want to make a burger, very delicious burger, so let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to start by making the buns, and for that I'm going to require 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1.25 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of lukewarm water, and 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. I'm just going to mix the flour, sugar and salt together. Then I'm going to put the yeast in the water, give it like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add it in the dry ingredients. Then I'm going to mix this up, make the dough, and leave it for about 1 hour to 2 hours, and that will be ready. So the next thing is to make the pickles, and I'm just going to go ahead and slice up some cucumbers, and then I'm going to boil 1 cup of water with a half cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, just to balance out the taste. Let this come to a boil, and then I'm going to add it in the cucumbers and then leave it to rest while I prepare the other ingredients. The next thing is to prepare some caramelized onions, and I'm going to use these onions in the sauce. So what I do is just chop up like 3 onions and then cook them on medium-low heat until they are nice and caramelized. So by this time the dough has rested enough, and what I'm going to do is just shape them into nice round sizes, and then I'm going to give them another 5 to 10 minutes to rest, and then they're ready to bake up. The next thing now is to prepare the meat. I'm going to add 1 egg to the meat, and then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, some salt to taste. Mix this up together, and then I'm going to start making the patties. So after this is ready, I'm just going to go ahead and grill them, and just grill them on both sides nicely. And then when they're almost ready, I'm going to place the cheese on top, let it melt a bit, and my patties are ready. So on the same pan, I'm also going to grill some onion, just lightly grill them, and these are some of the onions that I'm going to be placing on the burger. So moving on, guys, I'm going to then slice up 1 tomato and then prepare some lettuce, and this is about it, guys. So now, guys, I'm ready to make the sauce, and for the sauce I'm going to just add 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the caramelized onions, and then I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper, and then I'm going to grate a very small piece of garlic, just about 1/4 of 1 clove, and mix this up, and my sauce is ready, guys. So then by this time the buns are ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and grill them a bit, just spreading some pan, and they're ready to use, guys. And then now the next step from here is to just go ahead and spread the sauce on the bun, layer the lettuce, and then the patties, the tomatoes, the onions, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the pickles on the other bun, and my burger is ready, guys. So delicious. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.